Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset home screen layout on Android. So whether you're using a Samsung Galaxy, a Google Pixel, or Xiaomi, or a OnePlus device, let's go ahead and jump right in. Now for Samsung Galaxy devices, all you need to do is to go to the home screen of your Samsung phone. Now pinch the screen with two fingers. Just pinch with two fingers or long press on an empty space. Now you're going to find settings at the bottom. As you can see, I'm using a Nokia 2.4 phone, so what you can see is home settings. I'm just going to click on home settings. But if you're using the Samsung phone, you're going to find settings at the bottom. So tap settings, then scroll down and select reset home screen layout. Then tap reset on the confirmation prompt. Now your Samsung home screen will now return to its original layout, just like when you first got the phone. This removes custom folders and widgets, but keeps all your apps. Okay, so for Nokia 2.4 like mine, you can come over here and you can toggle this up, like you can toggle off or toggle on, add app icons to the home screen, show Google app, allow home screen rotation. You can just go ahead and reset it from here, or just go ahead and click on add a glance. And once you select add a glance, you're going to see the things that you can find on glance of your home screen. So toggle off if you don't want to find some of them here, and just restart it from there. And once you're done doing this, you can still long press, head over to widgets and change the widgets and just recustomize it. Or you can just click here and go to wallpaper and style and change it as well. So for Google Pixel devices, stock Android 14, you can manually remove widgets. All you do is to long press each widget and tap remove. Then manually rearrange or remove app shortcuts by tapping and dragging apps back to the app drawer. To restore default widget to wallpapers, long press the home screen, tap wallpaper and style, tap change wallpaper and choose default. Now stock Android doesn't have a reset button for the home screen, just like my Nokia, but by manually clearing widgets and shortcuts, you can bring it back to its original clean layout. And that's how it works. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.